The mission and philosophy of the Ojai Valley School is to educate the whole child. Not only is that in the classroom and their daily operations, but it's really getting them outside and learning all about what goes on around them and experience that through those activities. You know, we can talk about it all we want. You really have to experience it. You have to get out and see it, smell it, touch it.
Being outside, whether it's going on a backpacking trip, field trips, outdoor ed, even doing plays outside, that's still completely in the school today.
Big part of my OVS experience was being able to share the outdoors with people that came from far and wide. Everybody's on equal footing when they get in the outdoors. You're at an age where your mind is open, and it might not be until they're grown up and out in the world or at college where they realize that they learned something about the way the greater world works, the way a watershed works, the way the mountains are eroding, the way their food is grown. They'll remember little snippets of field trips that they went on at OVS. They're prepared for the world at a younger age than most kids.
We're sort of the Parks Department for the Valley, and OVS kids have come out a bunch to really help keep the trails open and clean up trailheads. I see the slightly older kids start to ask questions. They get curious, and that's really inspirational because we're going to need all the help we can get. You start them early and keep it going.
We get out and do community service with the Ojai Valley Land Conservancy on the local mountains and meadows here. We go out to the Channel Islands, do plant restoration work out there. The kids really love that. They engage with being outside. It really is an opportunity for them to understand the full water cycle. By going up into the local mountains, they're seeing where it comes from. And they get to trace that route from the top all the way out to the ocean.
Whenever you go and do something, you're getting an experience. And the experience is really what gives you perspective. And so these kids are experiencing the watershed, they're not studying it. So they're in the water, and we do drink the water. We filter it most of the time. They're getting a chance to actually be in it and be immersed in it, rather than looking at it and reading about it. If you can ever have a chance to do that as an educator, that's the best way to teach.
By giving the students the capability of getting out there and truly touching it and experiencing it, they're seeing it in action. They're understanding truly the motion, the erosion, all the different aspects that water has on the environment. And yeah, you can read that all you want, but to truly see it, touch it, feel it, be in it, it's very special to do so.
I mean, we've done a lot of different ways to get into the dam, but I think the most appropriate perspective for coming to that dam is to come from the perspective of a fish who's actually been coming for thousands of years. And when you come at it from the creek, you bushwhack and creek hop, then you come up on the dam and it's giant from that perspective. And you can tell right away that it is not supposed to be there. The first thing is they just question it right away. They just go, why is it here?
Can't wait to come one day and we can look at this and go, this is where the dam used to be.
For us, the goal is to ultimately preserve those places through giving people experience in those places to know what it's like and why you want to keep places like that around for other generations and what it means to just be in the creek.
OVS does a great job connecting kids to the land. And I like to tell my kids, like, yeah, we've got some big issues. Let's tackle them, just like you would your laundry. You gotta start small, think big, get people on board. I think OVS kids are good at thinking about this whole community. It's not just them. We're all in it together.
I mean, at that age, they're just having fun, and they will remember that spot, and that's the point. They'll remember going through the watershed and all those trips and then ending on the sand and sometimes in the water, sharing that time with their friends, because it won't be the same. And the watershed's never the same. It changes with the seasons, and so do the kids.